Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit caption on IMVU. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, tap on your profile icon at the top of your screen. Tap on Posts. Find the post that you want to edit the caption of. Now tap on the three horizontal dots at the bottom right of your post. Tap on Edit Caption. Now you can edit the caption as you like. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top right of your screen. And that's it. This is how you edit caption on IMVU. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.